folks, welcome back to Route and Ramble. This is the start of the episode 1 and also of the season 24. At the moment I'm just en route to France, and as it is normal for me every year and all the years, once I start my trip it's raining, and there's no difference today. I've been traveling now for about 3.5, 4 hours, and as you can see here I've got the wetsuit on, and guess what? It's raining. But that's normal. But I thought it's time now to start off the videos as well. I'm getting closer to the French border. Just driving here through the various smaller towns and villages, so I try to avoid the motorways and freeways, of course, and just enjoying the sights. Temperature-wise, it's not too bad. It's about 18, so quite comfy actually. But let's see if the weather improves or if it doesn't. I see anyway. Yeah, that looks cool here on the right hand side. I don't know, is it a castle, a monastery? I'm not so sure. It doesn't look too bad. Really looking forward to this trip now. This is also the first time I'm taking the 690. As you could see from my other videos, the teasers and the short videos, I have modified the 690 quite a lot. So I've changed the front part, the tower, so that the raid garage, rally tower. Then for the navigation unit I use in the KTM, which I quite like because you have a lot of option in there which you can use. It is like a phone from that side. It's an oversized phone, but from the mapping and planning, I think it's perfect, that unit. So far I'm really happy with it. But like it seems to be the norm when travel season starts. They come out, do roadworks. As you see, here's a stop and go at the moment here. They're improving, so that's okay. But I'm looking forward to getting the mountains now. I think one side I must be mad with my age going still off-roading, but I like. I think that's my main problem, because I do like it and I prefer to be up in the mountains. It's still hard going. Yes, in that age you feel your bones, but it's all part of it. And I just like the riding. You come around the corner, you smell different things, you drive a few miles, it's different again, it smells different again, and I love it. I must say I'm surprised at the moment, because I'm still using the stock seat from KTM, and anybody who drives KTM knows the KTM seats, even if I remember back in the 80s, it's like a wooden board. There isn't much on it, and they're extremely hard. Okay, they're made for off-roading, so not for long distance riding. So what I've done is I didn't want to spend 500-600 quid in the seat, and then it's still not there anyway where you want it to be. So what I've done is I have made a cover for the seat. It's sheepskin, so it's a real sheepskin. It's a thick woolly sheepskin, and after those close to 4 hours riding now, the seat is fine, so it feels good. Yes, you feel it a little bit, but not that much. I would have expected more, but it isn't. So the sheepskin actually does the trick at the moment anyway. So I'm still comfy on the bike, and I don't feel sore, so that's good. Plus with the handlebar, because I raised the handlebar as well a little bit, my shoulders are fine. So I have no pains in the shoulders, so that's good as well. It's a good sign that the handlebars are adjusted right for me now. Before it was a little bit low. But I do hope that rain stops shortly, or the weather improves. I can see the clouds are full up there. There's a little bit of, you see, it's grey up there, it's low cloud cover. There's plenty of water up there. Oops. Yes, I think I should have gone left here. Yes, I should have done so. I'll be turning around, go down left here, that lane near the lake, and drive along there. So let me check here quickly. Yes, yeah, I think, yeah. Getting towards lake here now, as you can see, that's the right road down here now. I'll be driving over a small border. So there shouldn't be any traffic whatsoever. The main borders, of course, they, yeah, you will have traffic, depends on the time of the day. But those small borders, there's nobody there, and once you get to it, you will see anyway, they're easy to cross. I'm using the TKC80s in front and rear, and they're not bad actually. They're not too noisy. You feel them a little bit, but I must say they're okay. Of course, like on the road, you know, where it's wet, you have to be careful a little bit because you don't have much rubber on the ground. So they're a little bit skirmish, but that's to be expected anyway. So I don't expect to be an off-road tire to be good on roads, especially in the wet. So I'm just taking it easy. I'm very close now to France. As you can see, it's still raining, so yeah, there's a wet start. But the wetsuit what I have here is not bad actually, so I'm not sweating underneath, so that's good as well. Okay, the wind itself, it cools a little bit, so that's fine. I couldn't tell you when it's really hot and raining, I probably would sweat underneath. But my next day dry underneath, and the rest everything I still dry even after driving quite a few hours now. wet conditions. It has dried up a little bit now, but hopefully it improves. Here we go, so I'm over to France, so welcome to France. There's a tiny little border. Yeah, you can see nobody leaving my car here at the moment, so that's good. So I'm just really, I just can't wait now. Well, it's still raining. Anyway, folks, as you can see, the weather is getting worse again. It's hissing down. So what I will do is now is start looking for a campsite and camp overnight for the next one.